Hello there, you're welcome back. I'm sure you must have gotten to this stage that we have right now. You must have designed if an uncompleted web page where you have the headline for your website and you have your menu buttons right here. And we went to the settings where we had untitled documents here. Home Affairs that we changed to Home Affairs Design You Love. This is how it appears on your browser. Home Affairs Design You Love. This is where you enter the title of your website. That is what your visitors will first see before entering into your site proper. So let's continue from where we stopped. Yeah, as you can see that our headline here, our top um, headline here is quite longer than our menu buttons, and I think we might have to adjust that a bit. I just need to do is push this in a bit. I don't want the website to be too wide anyway, and we can also give this a background color anyway. You can come here and just click this color just to fill up that space. And if you have web animation, maybe you have an animation that has been designed that you want some slide um, animations here, you can put that here. Let's just leave that blank because we're coming back to it. We'll be creating our own animations and we'll be putting it in here. But let's just go to the rest of the pages. Here we might want this place to be our bottom page, and we might want to customize our bottom page as well with the color, with our color. I mean the color that we have here, background color here. What you just need to do is copy this background color code, copy, then you come down here and enter the code, paste, Control V, then click on enter. Press your enter button and you have that color replicated here again. So let's just preview what we have done. Preview in Firefox, save changes to home. By the time you scroll down, see that we now have a bottom uh, um, a bottom just to complete our site. There has to be a top, there has to be a bottom, and we can also have our menus right here on the bottom. So we now have a website that lacks content, that lacks images, that lacks web slides, design slides, just like this. You know, this is the bottom of this page that we just did right now. We can as well put our copyrights, this here. We need to create something like this here, here. This is where we embed if you have animation or we have a web banner, a banner design, this is where we'll put the banner. Then this is where we have our content, our web content. Now this is our content area, and I'm going to teach you how to insert images and how to insert content on this part of our website. But first of all, this is our content area. You must have had it in mind how you want your content to look like. Maybe you want to have an image here, then some web write-ups, some contents here, then you want to have another image here. You want to have so it depends on how the initial plan you have for your website. Like, okay, for instance, the plan I have right now is to have an image here and to have some write-ups around it. So what do I do? I first the design. I split this page, this table, into four areas. So how do you split a table? First of all, you need to move your button, as in create a table. Is either you create table just like we did for our menu buttons, or you can decide to split this table. How do you split a table? You right click on table, split cell. I want to split it into two rows and two columns, or two rows. Let's move us to two rows. See, I have two rows already. This is one, two. Then okay, let me just do it this way. Sorry about that. Let me do it this way. You need to take this hop first. Default, take it to the top. You see that this cursor has moved to the top. Then you now create two rows, two columns, two rows, two columns. Click on OK. Then you drag here. I want my image. I want an image here. Then I want some write-ups here. So how do I go about it? We are going to be talking about inserting images and contents in our next class. But before then, let's just put a bottom, like an end credit to this. Let's just go ahead and type home affairs. Home affairs. Home affairs 2015. If you want the copyright um, logo, you can get it from here. I think you can get it here. Yes, you can get the copyright logo here by clicking on the text bar. Then you come to the last part here. Click on the drop down menu. You can see find the copyright logo. You can just put it here. Then shift this to the center by pressing Ctrl Shift Space. Ctrl Shift Space. And you can just decide to click on the center, align to the center, and you paint it, change the text color to white, and you can write all rights reserved. So you can file, save, then you can preview Firefox. When you scroll down to see what we'll have, scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, scroll down. This is a preview of our web page. We have the home button, the about us, the gallery page, and the contact us button. And down below we have our end credits, home affairs 2015, all rights reserved. And even if you want to add your buttons, your menu buttons to the bottom of the page, you can as well do that. I think we'll do that in the next class, where I'll be teaching you how to insert images and how to insert content into your web page. See you in the next class. Thank you.